This one's cool. Would you do a...
Those are just $1.
Okay. Would you do a price on all of them? I want to buy the whole collection.
How much?
Morning.
Morning.
How you doing?
Good.
Pretty good. How much are your games?
Cents?
50 cents. That's two. That's two. I'm gonna keep looking, but I'll probably get these ones. These four.
Yeah.
Yep. Get some dolls.
Got them all.
You got them all, you said?
She did.
Oh, gotcha. Oh, look, Beanie Babies, Elijah. 2 for $1. Get your sister some. Get them like one each.
So many.
Give them those two. This.
No.
You don't have to, but they would be delighted if you did.
Let's see which ones they eat.
Yeah, some they don't have. You know better than me. There's some nice little jewelry for you, though.
Seven.
Barbie house.
It's a Barbie stable. Let's see.
Right there.
Yeah. Thank you. For Barbie. The whole stable. Really interested in that? $2. Oh boy.
One.
How much is the rest?
$2.
You find some? Oh, a duck and a fish.
All size small, so. Little girl.
Excuse me. Here's the $2 for the 4 games.
4 games?
Yep.
Okay.
$2. Okay, thank you. Yep.
One more. Maybe $10 change.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, some rainbows. What size are these? Elijah, see if these fit you.
No.
They're, can you just for me? I want to see if they'll fit mom.
Very good.
Put it on a foot. I don't know. What do you think?
Years ago?
It might. Is your foot bigger than hers or smaller?
Yeah.
Yours is bigger? So this might fit her.
Are you still cleaning?
Yeah, before.
How much are the sandals?
I need a change of.
How much for block for sandals?
Sandals?
Yeah.
Cool.
Here,
Do you know what
it's a
size they are?
bag.
Didn't see them. Okay, that should be fine.
You throw your game.
Oh, perfect. Yeah. You're thinking. Thank you.
Makes it easy to.
Yeah, here's a buck.
Thanks, sir.
Cool. Some chucks.
Mary,
They need a bath.
are you cleaning still? Since COVID? Is Mary still clean? Yeah. I have to call her. She didn't call me back. Maybe I'll have to back.
Well, this is like Toby, doesn't it?
Oh.
Is this what he looks like? This is the exact image of what he looks like in my mind.
Doug, funny.
Yeah.
I'm ready when you guys are.
Yes. You help Ray? Okay. Yeah. Okay.
What,
Another one.
what does he look like?
That's 2 quarters,
All
right?
this stuff is in my hat. You need a bag. Let's see. Yeah. Jeff, will you give me a what do you got here?
Doug.
Thank you.
Do. You ready? All right, thank you.
Thanks.
Have a good one.
Have a good one. Thank you.
Oops, dropping that. Sorry.
Oh, I've already broken something.
Luckily, these aren't that breakable.
A quarter.
Quarter.
It's a crayon.
A quarter.
It's only made of about
Staples. Hmm. Ruff, 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 ruff. How's your sale going so far?
Very good.
Golf shoes. How much are these? I mean, it's my size.
Well, 10 actually.
Yeah, I wear a 10.
Give 'em a try.
I do like $3 on them.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay. So we've got $3. I have a 5. I don't know if you have change.
And the bags are $5 a piece.
With the clubs?
Well,
There's a deal. Cool, thank you.
yeah. Well, these clubs, I mean, I don't know,
Yeah,
50
yeah.
cents a piece or
Yeah.
$1 a piece.
I don't know if I really need any though.
Except those clubs are a little different. Those are pings.
Okay.
Those are like 125 for the whole set.
125? Gotcha.
For these are just
Yeah.
50 cents all everything.
Okay. Let me keep looking.
All right, thanks.
What you got? A little potato head?
potato head without its eyes. Actually, I think it's inside. But it's taped closed.
His little butt. Scrap fabrics and silks. $8. I'm gonna take your yellow pots here. They're all priced. Comes to $8.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Cool. Thank you. Hello, hats. Beef of the peoples. Yeah, cars and stuff. Ask about it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I saw the truck.
Yeah, they do a pretty good job.
Yeah.
Hello.
Thank you.
How's it going?
Sure. How are you?
Good. How much is your racing stuff?
He sold it.
Oh, it's sold?
Yep.
How much are your Barbies?
10, 5.
10 each and
Hey,
then
babe,
5
did
each?
somebody buy the box? Of racing
radio.
stuff? Oh, you did? Oh, somebody was, I was,
Gotcha.
we're asking $19.20, but it needs some hinge work. One of the hinges on the back needs some attention. 20.
Oh man, they're like queens.
I know they're cool. They're like the holiday ones. Pocket Bike Racer. This was a free giveaway at Burger King.
I see that.
Test drive.
How much are the dolls?
10 each and then 5 each. This one's cool. Would you do a
Those are just $1.
okay? Would you do a price on all of them? I want to buy the whole collection.
How much?
I don't know. Didn't think about that. You said 10, 5, and then what were these ones?
These are 10.
Oh, all these are
These
10.
are
Okay.
5.
And then those are 5.
Mhm.
About like 80. Be like
For
20.
the whole thing?
Yeah, be like 27 off or something.
Could you do 90?
Yeah, what's 10 bucks? I'll do 90.
Okay.
Why not?
I need to, 10.
There you go.
Let me see if we got a box in here.
Okay. My Barbie collection has grown. Test drive Eve of Destruction. That's the one that looks interesting. Oh, you want me to just throw them in here? Yeah, that works.
That works?
Yeah. Nice ones in the box.
Got more.
The Peanuts movie. I want to see what poster this is.
Plastic movie.
Oh, Dick Tracy. That's cool.
It smells like bacon.
I definitely smell a pork product of some sort. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my gosh. There's a Little Mermaid poster. How much are your posters? $1 each?
Yeah.
You know how many you got here?
$1.
2. Let's see. Ow. So that's 2. Jungle Book and Mermaid. And then Dick Tracy. Oh wait, that's not bacon. It smells like hot dogs. Yeah, I smell hot
I don't
dogs.
smell it anymore. I'm gonna get this one.
So it's 3 of them? $3? Can you hold that for me? Thank you. Tonic skateboard. You know how much this is?
Two.
2? That's perfect because I have $3. I have 3 in posters and then
I'm like, wait.
3 in posters and then 2 for the board, so 5 total.
Awesome. Thank you.
All right, thanks again, man. All right, here, grab that for me. I gotta carry all these Barbies.
You got everything?
Yeah, thank you. Oh boy. Yeah, so I did it, guys. I spent way too much on a collection of Barbies. I feel like it's a rite of passage. You have to do it as a reseller. Go ahead and write down below if you've spent way too much money on a collector's item Barbie. A couple of my friends who resell, I called them and talked to them and they've both done it before. So I'm not the only one who's made this mistake. They're up there. They're all listed. If they all sell for what I have them listed at right now, I basically will get about $150. $150 from the $100 I spent, but I'm sure there's gonna be lowball offers. They're not going to sell. I'm going to have to discount them. I think I might break even if all goes well. I would be delighted if I did, but it was a bad buy. And I know exactly why I did it. When I went in there, they had this really cool box of NASCAR stuff with a shark tooth hat and all this other stuff that I knew was pretty good. And I felt like I could probably get for like 15, 20 bucks and make a ton of money on. But when I went up to buy it, it had already sold like 2 seconds before. So it put me in this mental mindset of like, just my brain broke. Like a video game I picked up that I knew had value, I just didn't buy. I forgot about it. The Barbies I made an offer on, which normally I would be like 10 bucks a Barbie. That's insane, and just walked away. But just my brain got broken by missing that deal, and I ended up making some bad buys. Those posters were cool. I haven't listed them yet, but it's an original Little Mermaid poster, Jungle Book poster, and what was the other one? Dick Tracy. And so those might save me, honestly. And I mean, really, I'll probably break even on the Barbies. And if I can sell those posters for, I mean, I saw the comps were weird on the poster because I did look them up. And the Little Mermaid had like a sold that was like $500 or best offer. So who knows what the best offer it was? It could have been $15. And there was another sold that was like $350 or best offer. So I don't know, maybe I could list it for 50 and someone would buy it. I don't know if I want to list it for hundreds. That seems insane, and I don't think it's really worth that. The Dick Tracy one I didn't look up, and the Jungle Book I didn't look up, but they're right here. I have to list them and stuff still. I also got some Sims games. Those are always pretty good, the big box Sims games. I'll do well on those. I think, man, all told, probably like 40 or 50 bucks for all 4 of those once I listed them. And then I got those cool old club pans, which are up in V2 right now. I did list those. I listed them for like 20 bucks a piece. I saw a few solds around there. Here's my issue, and help me out in the comments below, because I can't figure out how many quarts these pans are. They don't say anywhere on it 4 quarts, 3 quarts, and I wasn't sure. There's probably a mathematical equation or something. I guess I could Google it. I haven't yet, but there's probably some sort of mathematical equation that I could look up to figure out the actual quarts. I didn't put the quart amount. I just put like the measurement, you know, whatever it was, like 8 inches by 4 inches, figuring that people who like pans will know how to do the calculation. I didn't actually put the effort into learning the calculation, so go ahead and comment below on why I'm lazy. All right, guys, but yeah, that's pretty much everything I found. I got a little Doug Funny Beanie Baby that I just thought was cool. I think it was like $7-8 max on that one, so it's not super valuable, but I just had to have it because it used to be one of my favorite shows. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, comment below, hit the like button. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.